All right, welcome. Welcome to How to Geo, and today we'll be talking about another grip tape design, and we're going to be teaching you today on how to do the line, like one line on the side grip tape design. And you know that design is very simple. You know, it's not that hard. So you know, it's not that. Where was I going with that? Anyways, that doesn't matter. But actually, I like this grip tape a lot. You know, this design. I used to do it a lot. Not anymore because I like kind of, you know, different kind of designs. But I'm sure people like this one too. And actually, today I'm gonna be teaching this grip tape, like to put on this deck. It's like really bad, this deck. But I'm gonna explain to you how to put it on a crappy deck like this. Like, let's say you have to re-grip your old skateboard. I'm gonna be teaching that as well because it's still pretty sticky, and there's no way of taking that stick off. I've tried everything. Oh my god, all the chemicals. But anyways, let's get into the video. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna make the line first, and you do not start from the top. Don't do that. What you want to do is start from here. It's clear and it's easy to see where you mark it off. So let's just put that down. Let's measure a good distance. Get your long ruler and your marker. Maybe 2.5 inches. Yeah, that seems pretty good. Okay. You mark it now. So yeah, I just do 1, 2, 3 dots to connect them because this ruler is actually not long enough. So you just keep going until you reach that point. Now align that with your previous line. Get that and just mark the whole thing. Anyways, that's done. Now, you grab your knife. It could be a box cutter, an X-Acto knife. I'm using a box cutter today. So, you put your ruler back. If you have a plastic one, it's gonna get a little harder to cut it through because it might get stuck on the plastic. But anyways, if I have a steel one, so it's best to use a steel one. So you grab this. You start from this corner, and then you cut all the way down. Hold it down, the ruler. All the way. Okay. Done. So yeah, there you have your piece. It's cut 2 pieces. You got the slim piece. Let's put that there. Then you got the major piece, the big boy. Okay, so there you have it. See? Okay. So put that on the side. We grab our new blade. There's your new blade. Okay, so there it is. You grab your skateboard deck. Like I said, this one's pretty bad. It's all beat up and it's sticky. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So all these grip tapes have factory cuts. They all have factory cuts. See, the cut we just did, we don't actually necessarily put that one on where the line is gonna show. I always go to the factory cut, which is on this side, because it's way straighter. Machine cut it, right? So I don't use the cut part that I cut. What I use is factory cut. So this is factory cut, this side. This side is the one I cut. You can tell by the mark. So I use the factory cut side. You can align it how you ever want to align it. Right, the line's gonna be right about there, something like that, right? So you might be wondering, which one do you put first? Well, to make life easier, I feel you would put the big one, because when you put the big one, you can see how far you can go with the skinny one. So with the sticky board like this, kind of the same thing, you know? Make sure these middle fingers are about to touch here and here to align your vision and all. Make sure the lines. Perfect. Okay, that's on. And what you're really gonna do is do the same thing. You know, do the same thing if you're gonna put on new grip tape. So push that all down. I didn't show this in the other video, but the reason you keep this is to squish it down. Anyways, let's put the other piece on. So this one, same idea. I would say right about. This one's a little tricky. I would say that slim. Yeah, that'll be good. That down slightly. Don't force it. There. Okay, so that line is on. Both pieces are on, both factory cuts. There we go. We got it. There you have it. Now, we'll grab our little tool, start scratching it. This one's gonna be challenging. So, you grab your new blade. This one's gonna be really difficult because the wood around it is not good at all. But I'm gonna try my best to just do its correcte. I don't even need to cut on the sides. I'm just gonna go for it. It's getting caught. tough. Ouch. This one's gonna be really difficult. There it is. So, the deck is really damaged, but there's nothing you can do from that. You know, the grit tape it has to go with the aligning of the wood, which this deck is really damaged. So, that was very challenging. So we're just gonna straighten it out now. Poke the holes. So there you have it. There is the deck, and this is an old deck, and it still kind of looks pretty cool, you know, with the new grip and all. So yeah, that would be the how to do the line. You know, you could also do a middle line. You could do this side. You can do many line designs. You can even do bizarre ones, even shark teeth and stuff like that. You know, but if you guys want that in the videos, just, you know, comment in the section below and I can show you how to do it. And next week I'm probably gonna be doing something pretty cool, probably with the grip tape again, but we'll see. All right, so there it is. Grip tape line design. It's an old deck, but looks pretty cool still. Okay, so grip tape stuck to my foot. You'll see what the hell's wrong with my hair? You'll see a video on Friday, next week Friday. Probably gonna be something about skateboarding related, obviously. So yeah, that's how you do the line grip tape. If you guys want any more ideas, put it in the comment sections below, or even DM me and see what I can do and stuff like that. So yeah, laters. Now, because the grip tape is heated.